my God, boys. Oh, let's go. Let's get out of here, boys. Let's get out of here, boys. Alright, YouTube, what's good, boys? Hey, we are back with another banger of a video, boys. We straight piped my grandma's Altima. Nah, I'm just playing with you guys. We straight piped my Altima. I'm gonna give you guys a POV drive after I eat my beautiful mangoes. I mean, come on, guys. Hold on, let me put this in the glove box for you guys. Yo, I've got the most cracked Altima on planet Earth, and I'm gonna show you guys today why that's the case. You guys can hear it. You guys can hear it. I'm in public. I'm in Brooklyn. I just got out of work. Right here. Yeah, you know what I mean? We tried our best, but hey, I'm gonna eat my mangoes real quick, and I'm gonna catch up with you guys. I'm gonna catch up with you guys on the road, going home. Let's have a good ride. All right, chat, we about to get on the road with this, boys. Oh man, I love driving now, bro. This like straight pipe is the nicest thing. Oh my God, boys, we. Woo! Oh my God, yo, I love driving now, boys. Oh my goodness, I literally love driving now. Hey, we good though. Let's have some fun. Let's have some good old fun. Guys, I got the most cracked Altima on Earth. Holy crap. Holy crap. I have the most cracked Altima on Earth right now, bro. You guys hear this car? Yeah. Oh my God. They cannot mess with me, bro. They cannot mess with me, bro. Wow. Wow. They cannot mess with your boy. Hey, it's gonna be a fun drive home, boys. It's gonna be a fun drive home. Let's get it. Hey, I'm gonna let you guys do some nice little acoustic listening for a little bit, you know? Let's just get out of here. Hey, I'm not a reckless driver, by the way. Like, we're not gonna be doing no squeeze bends type of driving. Like, I'm just gonna do a little bit of cutting up. Nothing too, you know, nothing too crazy. Just have some fun, you know. Not put nobody's lives in danger or anything like that. We're just gonna hang out. Are we hitting traffic? We hitting traffic? We ain't hitting traffic. Already? We hitting traffic already? Come on. We can't hit traffic already. Come on, boys. We can't hit traffic already. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Man, I love driving this car, man. I love driving this car. I love driving this car, boys. SRT Altima? Question mark? Yeah, if I see the cops, you guys are gonna see me go, pow. Just like that. Hey, man. Hey, man. Might have to pick this up when the traffic disappears. Oh, we in the tunnel. Ready? Ready? Oh my God, that's my car, guys. That's my car, guys. Oh yeah, we doing it again. We doing it again. We doing it again. Wow. Chat. Oh, let's go, bro. Guys, move out the way. I gotta go home. I got things to do. Oh yeah. Oh man, I can't do it. I can't do it. The traffic, boys. I was trying to rip through here. I'm not even gonna lie. I was trying to rip. We got the Infinity right behind us too. right behind us, chat. Oh my god. Infinity right behind us. Oh my god. Oh, he's scared. He just backed off a bit, boys. Hey, it looks like it's dying out. I'm gonna give you guys some quiet POV. Some nice little quiet POV time. Oh yeah, we finna hit the tunnel soon, boys. We finna hit the tunnel soon. Oh man, this is gonna be so fun. Yo, doing POV drives in New York is impossible, but I mean, look at the view. Look at the view. POV drives in New York, so hard to do. Somebody's looking at me right now. Alright, we good. We go. Oh man, the tunnels are coming up, boys. The tunnels are coming up. This is about to be so fun. Man, I was literally thinking about driving home from work all day today. Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, it's coming. Get your ears ready. Put some headphones on. Put some headphones on, boys. Sheesh. 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 This thing could cook everybody on this road right now. Oh, I know we're gonna hit traffic now. Wow, okay, sure. What is he, hello, what are you doing? What is going on right now? Guys, we can figure this out. Like, what is he doing? Alright, there we go. I think we should unlock here soon. This guy is ruining it for everybody, that Nissan Rogue. Literally just ruining it for everybody, bro. It's called stupid driving, guys. Guy behind me, too, wants to just cut up and cause a scene. Alright, cool. Let's get it. Let's go, it's time. Oh, yeah. Alright, now bro is going too slow. My exit is almost here, so I'm not even gonna switch lanes. I just hope this guy gets out. Sheesh! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Woo! That thing went flying. is so fun to drive now. Dang! Why did we get traffic in this tunnel? Got my little bit of fun. And back to traffic. Yay! The tunnels are the best. Oh my goodness. I love how the cops don't care out here either. Watch me get pulled over. You guys don't even want to know what I did under the hood, man. Let's just say a regular Altima is not supposed to sound like this, boys. See, I'm not reckless. Like, I'm not gonna just start flying. I'll step on it, do my thing, you know. You know, everybody has families out here. Everybody got, you know, I got a family too, trying to make it home to them. But I'll do a little step. I'll do a little step here and there, you know, do my thing. Under these tunnels, man, I love driving under these. Watch. Oh my God. Jeez, boys. Jeez, how has a cop not pulled me over yet? I would hear this a mile away. I think what I like about this is that it's not obnoxious still. Like, it's still the perfect amount of loud. Oh yeah, we out there. Whoa, why is he closing in on me like that? That truck was really closing in on me. Alright. Whoa. That man was not missing his exit. That's all I'm gonna say. Dummy alert. Alright, cool. Guys, let me know. Does, like, pumping the gas like that, does that hurt the car at all? I don't want to mess my car up. I don't know much about cars, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just like when they go fast. You feel me? I just like when they go fast. I don't know if pumping my gas like this, because I never really do this, but, you know, makes the car sound good, and I don't know how to drive manual. So I just act like I do. And I'm happy. This car makes me so happy. You guys don't even know. Like, does doing that hurt the car? Just me, like, constantly stepping on it and not stepping on it? Let me chill around here, because it's, like, cop central out here. do not want any cops messing with me. See, I'm on low RPMs right now. I'm literally just... Oh, wait. Literally, you guys can see right there. As long as I stay under 2, I'm good. Like, I'm not going to get in trouble. As long as I literally stay below 2, I feel like I'm chilling, you know? Definitely gotta chill around here. Definitely gotta chill around here. There's so much cops around here. Alright. Here is what it kind of sounds like during just like city driving, just like regular vibes, everything under 40. Just kind of chilling and stuff. This is what it kind of sounds like. But yeah, boys, if you guys want more of this type of content, you guys know what to do. Hey, the more subscribers, the more watch time, the more views I get, the more cars I can mess around with, the more I could do to this car. If you guys want to see a series of my grandma's Altima, hey, let me know, boys. Let me know. Yeah, man. I'm trying to get something nice next, like a Beamer, but like a newer one, or like a Grand Cherokee. That's like what's on my mind right now. But yeah, it's kind of what it looks like. I love the interior. I like how I redid it. There's like the infotainment, there's like the nice wheel, got the seats vibing out. You know, I had to do my thing. I had to do my thing in here. I want to do more. I want to rip this whole thing out and make it black. If it was literally just black, the car would look so premium. But you know, there's a X6 behind me trying to mess around. Is that an X6? Nah, that is not an X6, but it's one of them. Alright, yo, there's so much bumps on this road. I bet. Cool. You gotta be careful because there's always people turning in on this road. It's kind of what it sounds like on city driving. Like I said, it's literally not bad if you don't make it bad. Like, it's literally chill if you make it chill. Dang, nice little Charger. Couldn't even see what type it was, but hey, that is also a car I want. I want a Charger. Doesn't even matter what I get at this point, just so I could get content with it. Like, that's really the main point. I want to make this channel active. I did sell the Honda. Sold it to my brother. He's doing his thing on it. I don't know, bro. I took it on a drive once, and I was like, this car is just not worth it. Yeah, it was pretty cool, but other than that, it just wasn't worth it. I was like, eh. So I sold it. That's why you buy your cars in cash, because you could just sell them like hotcakes whenever you want. Is that a cop behind me? No, that's a Grand Cherokee. Sometimes they be looking like cops, but yeah. Hey guys, look at this. Look at this interior. We're chilling. I like this right here. Low key. It grew on me. It grew on me. Like this little dash. I like the way it lights up at night, especially on the phone. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, little pool. There's also a lot of cops out here too, so I gotta be very careful. I gotta get the tints on the front, cause bro, I got tints on the back, but I need tints on the front. They made me take off my front tints, but I'm gonna put those things back, man. I need to get some tints like that, man. I gotta get some tints like that. Hey, but like I said, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Both of those things are free. The more I could get this channel to blow up, the more content I'll be able to bring you guys. And hey, I love doing POV content. It's like one of my favorite things to watch on YouTube, and it's one of my favorite things to record because I love driving. Woo! I gotta chill out here because I can't. There's cops everywhere. But I mean, hey, still doing a little bit of pulls for you guys. Kias have been stepping their game up, I'm not gonna lie. Kias have been doing their thing. Guys, I also want to start vlogging and stuff, but like kind of like POV drive vlogging. So like not fully like, hey guys, welcome to my vlog. More like we POV driving. Hey, maybe I'll grab a coffee too. You know, some chill stuff, nothing too crazy. But yeah, chat. Gotta bring the camera down. Guys, I think this will conclude it because after this roadway is just local streets the whole way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video driving home. There was a lot of traffic, so I cut those parts out. But hey, appreciate you guys for watching. One last pull for the gang. Hopefully I don't get arrested. And I'll leave it off at that, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.